Coming back home to Ghana, or wherever home is in Africa, after 10 plus years abroad is a beautiful thing. You are returning to your roots, your people, your land. It comes with pleasant surprises and also some not so pleasant. Not because Ghana is difficult, but because you've changed and Ghana has evolved in its own unique way. So today, let's walk through how to have a mindset shift. By that, I mean prepare your mind to avoid any culture shock and settle back home comfortably, confidently, and with your peace of mind intact. Before we continue, family, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss further episodes. It will also help YouTube share it more to those who might need it and grow the channel. Thank you. First, you need to understand that you've changed, and Ghana has also changed differently. After a decade abroad, your habits, expectations, and worldview have shifted. You've become used to online appointments, 24/7 customer service, self-checkout, and systems that run quietly in the background. Meanwhile, Ghana has also transformed. New malls, new highways, new restaurants, new opportunities. But the systems may not match what you are used to. And you have to accept that you are in a new environment. That gap between who you've become and how Ghana operates is where culture shock creeps in. And once you understand that, you stop blaming Ghana and you stop blaming yourself. You simply allow yourself to adjust. Secondly, things move slower, but people move faster. This is something returning diasporans always notice. The system may be slow, but the people are fast. Need to get something done, someone knows someone. A process is dragging, a gentleman at the counter says, "Boss, give me 5 minutes." You don't know who to talk to, an auntie will connect you immediately. Ghana runs on human networks, not just formal structures. So instead of getting frustrated, tap into the network, build relationships, greet people, say good morning, ask questions. You'll be surprised how doors open when you respect the rhythm of the culture. Thirdly, relearn Ghana's social rules. They matter more than you think. 10 years abroad teaches you individualism. Ghana teaches you community. Here, people want to know how you are doing, what you are doing, why you are doing it, and sometimes even how much it costs. Not because they are nosy, though yes, sometimes maybe, but because that's how connection works here. You'll be asked personal questions. You'll be expected to greet elders properly. Family obligations will reappear. People will interpret silence as distance. If you understand these norms, instead of fighting them, you blend in smoothly and avoid many misunderstandings that frustrate returning diasporans. Number 4, create a community before you arrive. One of the biggest mistakes people make is returning alone and then trying to build connections from scratch. Start reactivating relationships months before you land. Call old friends, reconnect with cousins, join returnee WhatsApp groups, reach out to professionals in your field, follow diaspora homecoming pages, plan small meetups. Ghana is friendlier than most places abroad, but it's still easier to thrive when you are plugged into a network. Your community becomes your support system, your information source, and your sanity protection. Number 5, stop comparing or Ghana will exhaust you. If you compare everything to where you are coming from, you will drown in frustration. In the UK, this wouldn't happen. In America, they don't do it like this. In Germany, the system is more serious. Of course, those countries have had hundreds of years to refine their institutions. Ghana is still developing, or for that matter, home wherever home is for you. But it also offers a sense of belonging many people abroad never find. The moment you stop comparing, you start appreciating the advantages, the community, the warmth, the creativity, the opportunities, the freedom to build something new from zero. That mindset shift alone reduces your culture shock by half. Number 6, expect subtle family pressure and prepare gentle boundaries. In many Ghanaian families, your return is interpreted as you've arrived. People assume you've made it. They assume you came with money. They assume you are ready to solve problems. Don't fight anyone. Don't argue. Don't explain your entire financial situation. Simply set calm, consistent boundaries. You can help where you are able to, but it does not have to be constant or at the cost of your own peace. Boundaries don't mean you love your family less. They simply mean you love yourself enough to manage your energy. Number 7, take 6 months or maybe more, depending on your situation, to observe before making big decisions. Many diasporans make expensive mistakes because they rush. They buy land in week 1. They start a business in week 3. They pick a long-term apartment before learning the neighborhoods. Give yourself time. Live in Ghana first. Learn how different areas operate. Understand the real cost of living, not the holiday price, but the everyday price and reality. Ask locals how things truly work. By month 6, you make smarter, calmer, and more informed decisions. Number 8, accept that culture shock comes in stages, and you go through all of them. Most returnees go through 3 phases. Phase 1, excitement. You love everything. You are happy. You are optimistic. Phase 2, frustration. You face reality. Systems frustrate you. People misunderstand you. Home feels unfamiliar. Phase 3, adjustment. You find your rhythm. You learn shortcuts. You get your Ghana street sense back. Suddenly, you feel at home again. When you understand these stages, you don't panic. You don't think you've made a mistake. You simply allow yourself to adjust. And finally, if at all possible, build a hybrid life, the sweetest spot for most diasporans. Many returnees thrive when they combine both worlds. They live in Ghana, but keep a foreign income stream. They invest locally, but maintain global opportunities. This removes financial pressure and gives you freedom to enjoy Ghana on your own terms. Ghana becomes peaceful when you are not relying on the system 100% for income, especially during your early adjustment period. Coming home is a journey, not an event. Returning home after a decade plus abroad is not a failure, not a step back, and not an escape. It's a powerful decision. It's a return to identity, purpose, and belonging. You will adjust. You will find your rhythm. You will thrive. And Ghana will welcome you with perceived flaws and all, because it is still your home. Thanks for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe to Cathy Biz Africa. Let's build African businesses, African opportunities, African wealth, and our communities together.